This kindergarten teacher at Belcher Elementary in Clearwater sees changes happening every day for her students.
4- and 5-year-olds, it's all about me, 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 me. So kindergarten gives them a avenue where they can learn a lot more structure in their day.
She believes kindergarten lays the groundwork for strong language, reading, and math skills.
It has to start with a firm foundation because as they grow, it's just going to get more difficult in the higher grades.
But unfortunately, not enough kindergartners in Pinellas County are making it to school each day.
I am here for a very special reason.
That's where the Juvenile Welfare Board decided to step in, giving kids a coloring book talking about the importance of school and information for parents.
Every day counts, every day matters.
And while kids have this coloring book, parents are being asked to sign this pledge, keeping their kids in school unless they're truly sick.
Really stressing the importance to parents who may think, wow, it's no big deal if my child comes out just one day. It is.
These kids are excited about being here.
The most fun thing about coming to school.
Going on field trips.
Field trips.
But educators and advocates agree keeping them here will be critical to building strong students of the future. In Clearwater, Lauren Rosella, ABC Action News.